you can see response is there. So this is on my website only, I have created this. So you can do the further changes in this.
Do you want to create AI chatbot that too free using free API? Yes, it is possible, and I will show you in this video how to do it. If you have a smaller task, then do not need to buy any API key, and some versions of APIs are also available free of cost. So in this video I am going to even give you how to add this API on your website, and that to a free website. I will give you two methods, like first getting API, then adding that API free of cost to your free website. So watch this video till then to know how to do it.
So to begin with, you first need to click on Google and you type open router. So openrouter.ai, this is the link you need to open, and after that you need to sign in here. Click on sign in, and you can log in with Google or any other email ID. So let me log in with my Google account. So now you can see I am now logged in. So here you will get these options. At top you can see models option. Just tap on this models. I will give you all the steps in the video description as well. Do not need to worry at all. So check out in description as well. So from here you can see these are the paid AI tools. So herein you can see there are some paid prompts as well. So you can see these are the pricing prompt pricing. So you just need to press here till the end free. So these are now all free APIs, so you can select any one of them. So let me select this Gamma for Google only. So version is 3.9 to be free of cost, key will be available. Just tap on this here, just press here, and after that herein you can see all these options are showing. So you can click on this API and you can scroll down. You can see there's an option of create a API key. So before that you can see there's an option of open TypeScript. Just tap on this. You need this code as well. So just copy this code and open Notepad, and in Notepad just paste this script and press enter like this. And now I will create my API key. So now click on create API, and herein it will create an API key for you. So one key is already created for me, so I will creating another. So let me enter any name of this key. The credit limit is optional. So API key for me, first one, I will just give a name. Click on create. So this is the API key. Just tap on this button, copy button, and again paste it to the Notepad file. So this is my API key, and above is the script. So this I will use both of them to create my API key. So what you need to do now you need to open Google Studio. Now this is a Google Studio link. Just open Google Studio, and after that you can log in to Google Studio using your Gmail ID. So herein in chat section, herein you need to type a prompt key. I will give you all prompt in the video description. So check out my video description as well. I am using this prompt. I want to create AI tool like DeepSeek, for which you can use HTML, CSS, JS code, and I have used Open Router AI for this process. So you can find this prompt in the video description as well. Now click on run, and it is creating AI tool for me. So you just need to wait up for a while. You can see it is creating AI tool for me. So it is freely available. I have not paid anything. Even I have got API key as well for free of cost, and I will also create a website free of cost and show you how to add this API key on website. So you can see it is creating a code for me. So you just need to wait for a while. So this is the code it has created for me. So let me give another prompt like write. So I have entered another prompt like write all code at once in HTML and click on run. So it will create all code at once for me in HTML in simple language. It will think before writing, so it is very generative AI. You will get the best response from him. Do not need any coding to do it. It will do all the work, so you do not require any coding to do this process, and it will give you the best result. So now it is done. Let me download and run it, but let's see whether it will work for me or not. So let me download it. So let me save this file. After saving this file, I will run this file once the process is complete. Let me run this file. So this is the AI chatbot it created for me. So let me ask you, hi. So you can see error is showing. Why this error is showing? Because I have not added my API key in this. So let me add API key in this now. So now you can go to your notepad here, and this is your API key, and this is the script which you need to add here. So let me add API above. So let me cut and paste it at the top API. So this is the API. So this is my API. So I will just ask the Google Studio to add this API key to the above code. So I need to write this is my API key. So this is the API key, and below I have written like this. You can see add this API key to the above code. This is my API key. So this is my API. So this is my API. You can see I have written this extra, and I have also written below. You can see the script which you need to also add in this code. So I will just Control A and Control C this and paste it here in Google Studio and just run this command. So it will add this API and script in this my file, and I will then run it and see whether I will get any error or not, because herein in this file API is not working. It is showing me this error message. So after adding this API, let's see whether it will work for me or not. So let's see, let's wait and watch for a few seconds, and it will definitely create an API key for me. So you can see now it is created. Let me download it once again and see now whether it will work for me or not. So let me open this file now. So let me run this file. You can see it is showing in Hindi language. Let me type hi. So you can see response is now coming. So I just asked, can you help me how to help my sales team? So let's see whether it will give you any response or not. So you can see it is giving me reply as well. You can enter a prompt like this, make it full responses so that it will work for mobile and laptop and PC, and run this and download again the code and then open it. So you can check whether it is responsive or not. You can just right click here, click on inspect elements, and herein you can see the dimension. Click on dimension and see how it will show in iPad mini, and because it is now responsive, so it will look perfectly. So now how to add it on your website. So I will use Blogger because this is a free of cost, blogger.com. So you can, if you have a paid website like WordPress or anything, you can use that as well, but I will use Blogger here. So I will create a new blog from here. I will enter the title. So this is my new AI chatbot. Click on next, enter the URL. It is available, my new chatbot. Click on save. So I will go to the now themes from the left hand side, and you can select any of the theme, any useful theme. Let me select this theme, and you can simply click on apply. Click on got it. Now you can see, scroll down at the above, just tap on this and click on mobile settings here, and you can click on desktop here and click on save changes. After that, here you need to click on this here, click on switch to first generation theme. Click on this switch without backup. Now click on edit HTML. So after that, click on here, click on edit HTML, and select all, select A, Control A to select all. Click on delete from your keyboard. Now go to your file. So let me open this file. In right click here and open this file in notepad. Let me select open notepad. So this is the code which I need to copy, all the code, and paste it here in Blogger. And after that, you just need to click on save button. Save. Now just refresh this page. You can see now my chatbot is showing. You can see this is my URL, my new chatbot.blogspot. You can buy a domain and add this to it is easy to you can get your own domain like .com as well. It is free hosting, so you can get it. You can simply start talking here. Let me ask hi. I got the response. So let me ask one question, so it will give me response. You can see response is there. So this is on my website only. I have created this, so you can do the further changes in this. this is my website and this is my chatbot and with API. So this is free of cost, you can use it, and further modification will be done by you. This is just first thing which I have told you. So I have given you how to do it free of cost. You can add free using free API on your own website and free.
I hope friends now you will be able to add this free API key to your website. So this is the basic AI chatbot which I have created today. In my upcoming video I will create some customized API and I will give you more insight information how you can create customized API chatbots for a specific thing. So just stay in touch with me by subscribing my channel and do share your feedbacks in comment section. Bye bye friends, take care.